India on July 20th reported another highest spike in COVID cases after seeing a rise of 40,425 new infections over the last 24 hours, taking the caseload to above 11 lakh as the confirmed cases stand at 11 lakh 18,043. The country has now 3,90,459 active cases, whereas 7,87,000 people have recovered from the deadly virus. 681 deaths linked to COVID-19 were also reported in the last 24 hours. According to India Council of Medical Research, 2,56,039 samples of coronavirus were tested on July 19. Total number of samples tested are 1,40,47,908. In Goa, 173 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 19 July 2020. According to health bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services, 180 people recovered on 19 July 2020. Total confirmed cases in the states are 3,657. Total active cases in the state stands at 1,417. Total recovered cases stands at 2,218. Total 22 deaths are reported till 19 July 2020. One male, 67 years from Chimbel, who was admitted at ESI COVID Hospital Marga with comorbid condition, expired on 19 July 2020. Out of 5,028 samples tested, 1,761 are negative, 173 are positive, 3,094 reports awaited. At present, patients in isolation wards are 39. At present, people quarantined in various residences hotels are 180, as per media bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 19 July 2020. Breakup of total 1,417 active positive cases are as follows. North Goa, Community Health Center, CSC, Bicholim 10, CSC, Sakre 54, CSC, Pernam 19, CSC, Valpai 16, Urban Health Center, UHC, Mapsa 40, UHC, Panji 18, Primary Health Center, PSC, Aldana 0, PSC, Betki 41, PSC, Kandolim 28, PSC, Kansarvarnam 15, PSC, Korwae 9, PSC, Kolem 20, PSC, Chimbel 94, PSC, Shiolim 6, PSC, Porvorim 24, PSC, Mayam 0, Travelers by road, flight, train 140. South Goa, Community Health Center, CSC Kurchorem 16, CSC Kankona 6, Urban Health Center, USC Margao 40, USC Vasco 294, Primary Health Center, PSC Bali 8, PSC Kaunsalim 8, PSC Chinchilim 2, PSC Kortalim 355, PSC Kurtorim 11, PSC Lutolim 6, PSC Marsaim 13, PSC Kwapam 14, PSC Sangam 1, PSC Shiroda 17, PSC Darbandara 28, PSC Ponda 45, PSC Navilim 19. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.